Let's learn comparison of rational numbers. We know that on any pair of numbers on a number line, the number to the left is smaller than the other. So when we are drawing a number line, this is our 0, this is our right hand side, and this is our left hand side. So the numbers which are on the left hand side, they are smaller than the numbers on the right hand side. Even they are smaller than the number 0. If we say minus 3 upon 2 dash and then 0. So the 0 will be greater than minus 3 upon 2. Okay. So also if the numerator and the denominator of a rational number is multiplied by any non-zero number, then the value of the rational number does not change. It is going to remain the same only. Now let us see some solved examples given in the textbook. Compare the numbers 5 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. Write using the proper symbol of greater than, equal to and less than. So 5 upon 4 and 2 upon 3, when we see this, the denominators are not same for comparing them. So the first thing is we have to make the denominator equal. We are having two methods. Either we can do cross multiplication or by LCM method. So here the numbers are small, so we can do cross multiplication. We are going to multiply 5 by 3 and 4 by 3 and 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. So we get the answer is 15 upon 12 and 8 upon 12. So in that we see 15 upon 12 is greater because there is no any negative or positive side. So therefore 5 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 3. Let's go ahead. Now second one is compare the rational numbers minus 7 upon 9 and 4 upon 5. Now, as we saw that a negative number is lesser than a positive number. So, it is therefore minus 7 upon 9 is lesser than 4 upon 5. Okay, so this is what. And what is here? If let us verify that if A and B are positive numbers such that A will be always lesser than B, right? If we consider A as 1 and B as 2, so 2 is greater than 1. Then minus 1 and minus 2. So what will be greater? Minus 1 will be greater in that because it comes first on the number line. Okay. So what this way we can take any example. Now same way minus 7 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 2. So here minus 7 upon 3 is greater. Okay, either we can make the denominators first same because until and unless the denominators are not same, we won't be able to tell the answer. So okay, we are going to first make the denominator same, and the number we are getting is 14 upon 6 and 15 upon 6. So yes, 15 upon 6 is greater, right? So like this way we can do. Now let us come towards the practice set and let us solve it.
Okay, so let us begin with the practice set 1.2. First one is minus 7 and minus 2. As we saw that in minus sign, the number which comes first on the number line is greater. So minus 2, minus 7 is lesser than minus 2. So this is what the sign should be there. Now 0 and minus 9 upon 5, as I told you that the digits on the left hand side are smaller than any other digits. Yes, 0 is greater than this, as I told you while explaining. Let's move to the third. Now 8 upon 7 is lesser than or greater than or equal to with 0. So your 8 upon 7 is greater than 0 because this is containing positive sign. So yes, this is greater. Let's move to the next. Now minus 5 upon 4 and my dash minus 1 upon 4. So sorry, it's not minus, it's only 1 upon 4. So negative, the numbers on the left hand side are smaller than any other number. So 1 upon 4 is greater. So minus 5 upon 4 is lesser than 1 upon 4. Now fifth one, 40 upon 29 greater than, lesser than or equal to with 141 upon 29. So 141 upon 29 is greater because the denominators are equal and 40 is smaller than 141. There is no negative sign also in this. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now minus 17 upon 20 dash minus 13 upon 20. Denominators are equal, we no need to do that. While drawing the number line, minus 13 come first, so this is greater, but this rule only applies on the negative sign and not on the positive sign. So yes, minus 17 is smaller, minus 17 upon 20 is smaller than minus 13 upon 20. Now my 15 upon 12 dash 7 upon 16. Now the denominators are not same and we need to do that. Now the thing is, the denominators are greater, so we can do this by LCM method. Okay, so let's do with that method. We'll make lines. Here we will be writing 12 and here 16. Both are divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 2 8 are 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 2s are, and here once again I write 2 and here, so 3 will exit as come down and 3 1s are. So here we are getting the answer for it. Okay, so let's multiply it now. LCM of 12 and 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 is 4 times, and into 3. So our answer is 48. Yes, so our denominator will be 48. Now the numbers are 15 upon 12. So 15 into what and 12 into what? First we are going to see 12 into what. We are going to get the answer as here down it will come 48. 12 into what? We are going to get the answer as 48. So 12 into 4, 12 4s is 48. So obviously we have to multiply 15 also by 4. So here the first number is 60 upon 48. Now the next is 7 upon 16, right? So 7 into what and 16 into what, we are going to get the answer in denominator as what? So 16 3s is 48 and 7 also we have to multiply by 3. So 21. The numbers are 60 upon 48 dash 21 upon 48. So obviously 60 is greater. So 60 what the number it was? So 15 upon 12, right? हमने 60 upon 48 को 15 upon 12 को हमने 60 upon 48 में convert किया. So this is what? So this is greater than 7 upon 16. This is the way we are going to solve. Now minus 25 upon 8 dash minus 9 upon 4. Now I am not going to remove the LCM of it. What I am going to do is 4 into 2 is 8. I am not going to multiply this number with 2. I am going to directly make only this number a change. So minus 9 upon 4 is equal to minus 9 into 2 upon 4 into 2. Okay, so we are going to get the answer as minus 18. Plus into minus is minus. So minus 18 upon 8. What's the number we are getting is minus 25 upon 8 dash minus 18 upon 8. Yes, so minus 18 upon 8 is greater because it comes first on the number line. Now 12 upon 15 and dash 3 upon 5. Now again I am going to do the same which I did in the upper method, that I am going to multiply only 3 upon 5 by 3 because 15 I am going to get and 15 comes in the table of 5, right? So 5 3s is 15. So I am going to multiply with 3 also with 3 and 5 with 3. So we are going to get the answer as 9 upon 15. Now 12 upon 15 is dash, then 9 upon 15. So this is greater. So here also we get the greater sign over here. Now minus 7 upon 11 dash minus 3 upon 4. Here I am going to use cross multiplication method. Okay. So I am going to multiply 7 by 4 and 11 by 4. Minus 7 into 4 upon 11 into 4 and comma minus 3 into 11 upon 4 into 11. Now minus 7 into 4 we are going to get the answer as minus 28. Minus 28 upon 11 into 4 is 44 dash minus 3 into 11 is minus 33 upon 44, right? So now minus 28 upon 44 and minus 33 upon 44, what is greater? So minus 28 upon 44 is greater because it comes first on the number line and both are in the minus sign. So this is greater.